What's up, guys? Ever see that scary check engine light on your dashboard and wonder how much a mechanic is going to charge you just to look at it? Today, we are talking about what many consider to be the best OBD2 diagnostic tools for car. Welcome to Tech Product. This professional car scanner puts the power of a mechanic right in your hand. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Ansel VD700 OBD2 Diagnostic Tools for car, you will immediately notice that this is not your average basic scanner. It is a specialized handheld tool designed to give you deep access to your vehicle's brain. Specifically, this device is a powerhouse for owners of cars within the Volkswagen Group, which includes brands like Audi, Skoda, Seat, and even high-end names like Bentley and Lamborghini. It is built to work perfectly with 12 volts, 16-pin systems, ensuring that you get accurate data every single time you plug it in. The first major benefit of using Ansel's VD700 is its ability to perform a full system status check. While many basic scanners only look at the engine, this tool dives into everything from the transmission and airbags to the braking system and climate control. It allows you to read and clear error codes across all these systems. This is incredibly useful because it lets you turn off the malfunction indicator light yourself. Instead of driving around with a glowing warning light and feeling anxious, you can find out exactly what is wrong and reset the light once the issue is fixed. Beyond just reading codes, the Ansel VD700 brings professional maintenance functions to your own driveway. One of the most common tasks it handles is the oil service reset. We all know how annoying it is when that service now message stays on the screen after you have already changed your oil. This tool clears that message in seconds. It also handles the electronic parking brake or EPB brake pad reset. On many modern cars, you cannot simply push the brake calipers back by hand. You need a computer to tell the car to retract them. This tool does that for you, saving you an expensive trip to the dealership just for a simple brake job. If you have ever replaced a car battery, you might know that many new vehicles require a battery reset or registration so the alternator knows how to charge the new battery correctly. The Ansel VD700 includes this feature, along with a throttle position check to keep your engine idling smoothly. These maintenance features make the tool a versatile solution for both professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts who want to maintain their vehicles with total confidence. The scanning capabilities of this device are quite advanced thanks to its OBD and EOBD support. When it finds a problem, it does not just give you a random number. It provides detailed descriptions of diagnostic trouble codes. This helps you understand the actual issue accurately, so you do not waste money replacing parts that are still working fine. You can easily erase these codes and reset the monitors, which is the secret to turning off that pesky check engine light once and for all. Another feature that really stands out is the ability to read and display live ECU and PCM data streams. The Ansel VD700 can plot this information graphically on the screen. Seeing your engine's performance in real time through a graph is much better than just looking at a list of moving numbers. It helps you spot intermittent problems that might only happen for a split second. It also stores freeze frame data, which is essentially a snapshot of the vehicle's conditions at the exact moment a fault occurred. This is like having a black box for your car, helping you with precise troubleshooting. For those who live in areas with strict emissions testing, the I&M readiness status feature is a lifesaver. This tells you if your car's emissions-related systems are functioning correctly and if they are ready for inspection. There is nothing worse than waiting in line at an inspection station only to fail because a monitor was not ready. With this tool, you can check it at home first. Additionally, the scanner can retrieve essential vehicle information like the VIN, CID, and CVN, which is great for verifying a car's identity if you are looking to buy a used vehicle. To make sure your investment lasts a long time, Ansel provides lifetime free online updates. This means as new car models come out or as software improves, you can simply update your device and keep it current. It is a forward-thinking tool that combines system-wide diagnostics with essential service reset functions, ensuring that every car owner can keep their vehicle in top shape without the stress of constant shop visits. It is truly a reliable and smart companion for any driver. Stop guessing why your car is acting up and start fixing it yourself with the right technology. Check the price link in the description to see how you can grab one of these for your own garage. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more simple and helpful guides on the best gear for your life. Have a great day and happy driving.